The brave little bird. Once upon a time, in a big green forest, there lived a little bird named Chica. She was small, but she had a big dream to fly across the forest and see the world. But Chica was afraid. What if I fall? She asked. What if I get lost? Her mother smiled and said, every big bird was one small bird. You just have to try. One sunny morning, Chica looked at the sky. She took a deep breath and said, today I will try. She jumped from the tree and her wings started to flap up, up, up. She went. She flew over trees, rivers, and flowers. She was happy and she was free. When she returned home, all the animals clapped and cheered. You did it, they said. Chica smiled. I was scared, but I believed in myself.